Hi everyone, today we're going to learn how we can enable any Google Chrome extension inside of Incognito. Remember that this process can be done in a computer or a phone. First of all, we're going to open our Google Chrome page. And here we're going to look for the extension icon that is going to be a puzzle piece. You can find this icon on the upper right part of your page. Then we're going to click on the icon and here we're going to find the extensions that we already have in our Google page. These extensions in Google Chrome are tools that allow you to add more functionality to your browser. They are used to personalize your navigation since they are applications integrate directly in your Google Chrome. Now we're going to click on the three dots that appear next to the extension. In my case, I'm going to use my Pathman extension. Then we're going to click on Manage Extension and this is going to take us to this new page. Then here you can put your extension on or off. Then we're going to go down and here you can find more options that you can enable, including allowing incognito. So we're going to enable that one and we're going to go and open an incognito page. It's important to know that we can have different types of extensions. Some of them are for the security of your data, translations, online shopping, advertising blocking, among many others. Like in this example that we have, the Pathman game. You just have to look for the ones that are better for you in your searches. Now being here, we're going to look for the extension icon again. Remember that it is a puzzle piece. And here you have the extensions. Remember that you can do this process with all the extensions you want to take to your incognito page. You just have to double click on it and there you go. Here is your extension in your incognito page. I hope you like this video. See you in the next one. Bye!